from being relatively disassociated from the conditioned identity to being lost in frustration? Yes. Okay, it happens. It still happens, but it happens less, much less, and also the intensity of the frustrations, it's much less. It's like I may know that it's happening, and I know that it's all just in my mind. It's just all my perception. But sometimes I can't change it. And that's when I go into using the tools. Because mentally, I can't think my way out of it. But that's why I don't need to. Okay? I don't need to think my way out of it because I simply just do the practice. And when I do the practice, I change the energy inside of me. I change the perspective, and I silence those thoughts. And I remove any type of pressure and tension in my body. So that's why I don't need to think my way out. But when I can't do it because the frustration or the emotion is too intense, then I would physically move it out.